right, well, on our way to Santa Ynez this morning, go look at a couple trailers that are having brake problems. I guess they're leaving for Mexico tomorrow. Then they just changed all the brakes. Someone charged them to change all the brakes, and it's not working. Yeah, this is typical. Let's see what happens. Probably a gallon of diesel fuel all over the floor. Awesome. Here's the address, right? Relax. All right, trailer number one. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, these pins look pretty messed up. Hey, how are you?
Man.
Hey,
Chase.
David.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, so he already told you what's going on with this one?
Yeah, just it's not. Sometimes it's communicating and sometimes it's not.
Yep.
All right. Have you? Has anyone done any wiring on it? Or?
Not that I know of. No one around the farm has.
Okay. All right. Got some shoddy wiring up here. Oh crap. I don't know. You wanna, dude? I don't know. Do you wanna get me a? I think it's old. Do you wanna get me some gloves? Oh. Alright, some of this wiring looks pretty bad, so we're gonna clean it up.
It's like having your car serviced. They look at it and go, okay, pay me.
Got some funky wiring. Yeah, so we just got all this rat's nest up here.
No connection.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. And they're turning outside.
Go check it.
Yeah.
So now, trailer's good.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, I gotta wrap that up, but yeah, we gotta check lights real quick. Hey, Versi. Yeah, so we got blinker. It's working. We just put the eggs back because I don't know. We're gonna see what to do with them. Let's see. Next.
Can you go check and see, look at the brake controller when I move this stuff?
Not connected. All right.
See what it says now? Still the same? Yeah, but it says when you press it, it doesn't say NC, it says C. Yeah, so it's still not. Still. Yeah, before it wasn't sensing it at all, but now it's sensing it. So there's something else going on now.
Yeah. So hold on. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, so this ground on this thing, it had build up underneath it, so it wasn't grounding. So I'm gonna put a couple more grounds in this. Yeah, clutch is difficult, man. I just want honest days pay for an honest day's work.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to rip anything
Like my
off.
mom, that's what my mom says. Like, no more for anybody, no less for no one. It's fair.
All right, so all I did was I added an extra ground here. Look, I mean, it's almost always ground.
Check?
Yeah, you can check. My wife's gonna go hit the brake controller and we're gonna check it. I just added this ground right here, connected to the ground system. Yeah. Yeah, good to go. Yep. Yep. Now the trailer's there, and we got gain. Good job.
Good job.
Mommy, you want some apple? This plug is pretty much destroyed. There's a lot of horse poop on the ground. Well, it's this one, yeah, it's all different. Yeah, it's just yeah, I know. I gotta put in the breakaway switch real quick, but man, if you would have told me when I was 15 years old I'd be getting paid almost $200 an hour to do some wiring, dude, I would have done the show a long time ago. Easy money. You can do it.
Are you kidding me?
You
I'm
can
not
do
going
it.
to repair.
You can do it. Good job.
So it was this one. See, I knew it.
Oh yeah, it's this one.
Yeah,
you were right.
that's what I
You were right.
thought.
Well, I bought both of them. Look what I just did in my tub.
The boo-boo.
Yeah. Happy and bleeding. No, that was my other tub. Look, exact opposite spot.
Oh, bro.
All right, so pull that off.
Okay.
All right.
Take this off? No.
No, you can leave that there. And so insert that little pin like so.
Like that? No.
Yeah, go ahead.
Like that?
Push it all the way in.
No way, bro. I think it's that way, bro. Like that.
Okay. You're the one doing it, not me.
Yeah.
All right, and then that I don't know where they want to hook that. That's just leave that hanging for them. Depending on where they want to hook it.
Right, let's go.
All right, we're leaving you here. Later, mommies.
Oh, I should die.
I know, I'm just kidding. We already checked lights on this one, right? Oh no. Yeah, lights work. Let's go check the yeah, flashers work. Lights are all working. Yeah, flashers are working. Lights are working. Yeah, so today was pretty much all kind of the same little electrical stuff. End of the season, these guys are about to take these trailers all the way to Mexico. So they just want to go through and make sure they're not going to have any problems. So it's normal. We went through 3 different trailers. It was all small wiring issues. They had just had the trailers gone through by another company. Bearings, they did the bearings. Bearings were greased. Bearings looked good on all 3 trailers. Some of the wiring that was on the initial trailers were kind of shoddy. So I basically just cut them out and replaced it. I beefed up the grounds again. Like I said before in another one of the videos, these trailers, I want to say 9 times out of 10, the problem is the grounds. Because they're aluminum, they build up some sort of deposit. All the ground connections get this deposit in between the connector and on the aluminum, and then they don't connect. So you don't complete your circuit. So yeah, 9 times out of 10, if you got an issue with your trailer, more than likely it's going to be something to do with the grounds. Like and subscribe if you thought this was useful or entertaining, which it wasn't too entertaining today. But yeah, leave a comment below. Subscribe, tell us that you subscribed and we'll reply to you. And yeah, thanks a lot. Take it easy, have a good day.
Okay. This is the receipt and everything. They might say that.
It's your job, not mine. I fix stuff. You get paid. Come on.
So don't open your mouth.
Okay, well. These are the steering links, and the spindles need to go back on here. Okay, pretty easy.
I don't know, I want to say 3 or 4 months ago I pressed these ball joints in, and it's been sitting here ever since. They called me and asked me to finish it. I'm gonna put the steering components back together, and then yeah, it should be good to go. And then we're gonna take it down to their main shop, and we're gonna do a clutch in it.